Let me put it in a very simple way. I have seen people telling, Guruji, I am not starting this because I don't have the money. Let me put it simply. Yes, money is important and money is essential to start something. But you should not say, I am not starting something because I don't have money. No. To start something, you just need to have what you want to have in your mind, not the money. If you decide once to start, it is not the money that you should wait for. It is the clarity and conviction before you start is more essential than the money you possess. And above all, many people have started thinking contributing something to others is dependent on the money that they possess. No, it is not in that way. Your ability to contribute others is not decided only by money. In fact, I'll put it in a very spiritual way. You should understand this as a realistic factor or a fundamental truth. Throughout your life, you should apply this principle. Your ability to contribute to others is decided only by your ability to contribute to your own self. I'm making it clear? Your ability to contribute to others is decided by your ability to contribute to your own self. You're not here to do good to others. You're not here to be good to others. You're here in this planet Earth only to be good to your own self. And that is the only way to come out of all your negative karma, to clear all your negative accounts or karmic accounts. Please understand. Again, I'll repeat. Your ability to contribute to others is decided by your ability to contribute to your own self. Consider a tree or consider a plant. Beautiful flowers, beautiful leaves, trunk, branches, everything is a contribution to the world. But everything can be contributed only till the roots are taken care. Once they have lost the strength of the roots, it is going to fall down. It will be uprooted. It will be shaken. If the roots are so strong and healthy enough, it cannot be disturbed even by the cyclone. We all suffered because of cyclone now in Chennai. Even because of the cyclone, there are trees which are not uprooted, which are not shaken, because they had a strong roots. And these roots are your contribution that you do for your own self. Because sometime, looking at something, people will enjoy what you contribute to others. And they think that you are happy and healthy. No, you alone know. Look at the tree. Let's take this as an example. Everybody is cutting the branches and making, whatever they want out of the wood. And people are taking the flowers and enjoying the fragrance. And if the roots are not taken care, the tree alone know it is going to die within few days. But look at one more plant which is having a dry leaf, which has got no branches, but it started strengthening its roots. And you want it or not, others may not use it now. But this is going to stay for a longer time, and this will be used for so many people for a longer period. That's the same with us. Even though you want to contribute to so many people, your ability to contribute to others is decided only by the ability to contribute to your own self. And what is that? We feel as contribution to your own self. Not only the good food, not only the good exercise. You meditating with real discipline every day without fail. Because what is that we do in this state? Only through meditation, you can reach this non-physical state within this physical body. Shariram Shatruvamsam. Asariram Shivavamsam. Shariram is what? Shatruvamsam. Take it in this way. Even in a medical explanation, till the last moment, your body needs to fight. That we call as immunity. As resistance power is called as what? Immunity. Shariram Shatruvamsam. Ashariram Sivavamsam. You reach that Sunyatvam, not emptiness, but beyond this physical body. And we are all gifted with this. And from now, you should practice this for one simple reason. Only when you reach that state of non-physical zone, everything in the physical reality can be changed. Karma bandha nibandhana to karma granthi nivartana. You will no more be stuck with this past karma. You will have the ability to come out of this past karma and create a life that you want to live. And this is the contribution you need to do without fail for your own self. And why we need to do this? Only by contributing your own self, you will have the ability to contribute others without fail. And that's the magic of life. That's the beauty of life. And once you start contributing yourself with high discipline, you want it or not, you will be a source of contribution to everyone. And that's the way your life has to be. And it will be. Aham Brahmasmi.